This Align Right Realty property video is presented by David Bailey. Welcome to your oasis with a stunning pond view from the back patio. This beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome with a 1-car garage is located in the charming Verandah community, offers tranquility and a low-maintenance lifestyle. Outdoor highlights: fully fenced paved patio overlooking a serene pond, the perfect spot to enjoy breakfast or unwind with nature. Automatic garage door opener and durable epoxy flooring for easy care and added style. Interior features: quality built with concrete block construction extending to the second story for durability and soundproofing. The open concept main floor seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas, creating an inviting space to entertain or relax. Kitchen: 42-inch maple cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Breakfast bar and large pantry. Spectacular water view visible from the dining room adds to the charm. Upstairs: all 3 bedrooms, including an oversized loft and laundry room, are thoughtfully situated on the second floor. Owner's suite: spacious master bedroom with a large walk-in closet and water view. Versatile loft space ideal for an office, exercise room, or flex space. Community amenities: enjoy the community pool, clubhouse, and fitness center, all included in the monthly HOA fee. HOA also covers maintenance-free living, building exterior, grounds maintenance, water, sewer, trash, and more. Prime location: conveniently located near the Suncoast Parkway, this property offers easy access to Tampa, St. Pete, and surrounding cities. Close to Publix, shops, and restaurants. Nearby outdoor adventures at Starkey Wilderness Park, Suncoast Bike Trail, Sunwest Water Park, and Buccaneer Bay in Weeki Wachee. Gulf Coast beaches, marinas, golf courses, and New Port Richey's vibrant downtown are just minutes away. Additional features: modern ceiling fans, lighting, and blinds throughout. Non-flood zone location with hurricane shutters included. Recent upgrades include a new AC system, Halo air purifier with UV features, and the house is wired for smart home. Your Florida lifestyle awaits. Video and floor plan available. Don't miss this chance to own a peaceful, move-in ready townhome in a fantastic location. Schedule your viewing today. For more information, review the details below or contact David Bailey at 727-249-4022.